After delays, drama, and non-stop rumors, one burning question has Grand Theft Auto fans on edge. Just how much is GTA 6 going to cost? Hey GAD Insiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Rockstar Games Blockbuster has already tested players' patience with GTA 6 release, now pushed back to November 19, 2026 due to internal shakeups and workplace controversy, and fans are understandably nervous. But amid all the chaos, one rumor has caused real panic that GTA 6 could launch with a shocking $100 price tag. Now, a former Rockstar developer is stepping in to calm everyone down. Mike York, who previously worked as an animator on GTA 5, says gamers can relax. According to him, Rockstar has no reason to hike the base price of GTA 6 above the current $70 standard on PlayStation 5 and Xbox. York says GTA 6 is simply too big to need a premium price. With demand already sky high, Rockstar won't need to be greedy to make massive profits. In his view, the base game will stick to $70 just like most major releases. That doesn't mean fans won't see higher priced options. York suggested Rockstar could offer a deluxe or day one version priced around $99, likely packed with bonuses for GTA Online, a special content, or in-game perks, but the core game will stay affordable. And history backs that up. When GTA 5 launched in 2013, the standard edition cost $60, while premium versions climbed as high as $150 for collectors who wanted everything. As for sales, York predicts absolute madness. He believes GTA 6 could pull in billions within its first week and become the biggest selling video game of all time. According to him, this isn't a game people are unsure about. They're buying it, no questions asked. Price worries aside, when GTA 6 finally arrives, the internet is going to explode. Are you waiting for it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Gamers are losing their minds and patience as the wait for Grand Theft Auto 6 spirals into full-blown legend status. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to the hub of latest tech and gaming news. With delays stacking up like wanted stars, GTA 6 has gone from most anticipated game ever to the internet's favorite "it may never actually exist" meme. And now Rockstar's own co-founder has poured gasoline on the chaos, whether unintentionally or not. The latest drama? Rockstar pushed the release again, this time to November 19, 2026, meaning by the time GTA 6 finally drops, it will have been 18 years since GTA 5 launched. That's 2 console generations, 3 Spider-Man, and roughly 500,000 GTA 6 when Reddit threads. Fans were already fuming after Rockstar reportedly fired 30 employees who accused the company of union busting. And then came former Rockstar co-founder Dan Houser's eyebrow-raising comment. Appearing on Channel 4's Sunday Brunch to promote his new novel, Houser warned that the gaming industry risks becoming overly focused on making money, calling it a danger for any creative art form. Cue the panic, the rumors, and the GTA 6 is cancelled headlines. But Houser's comments weren't aimed at Rockstar specifically, nor did he suggest GTA 6 was in danger. In fact, he later clarified that both creativity and profitability will coexist. Still, with delays this brutal, fans are reading between every line. Here's the brutal timeline fueling the meltdown. In February 2022, Rockstar officially announced GTA 6. By December 2023, the first trailer dropped, promising a 2025 release. Then came the delays, first in May 2025, pushing the launch to May 2026, and again in November 2025, bumping it to the current date of November 19, 2026. Despite the memes, meltdowns, and mounting conspiracy theories, all signs still point to a late 2026 release. GTA 6 isn't cancelled, but it's just taking longer than ever. For more updates, tips, and tricks, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Gamers have waited over a decade for Grand Theft Auto 6 to become more than a game. It's a myth, a meme, a long-running saga of hype, leaks, and silence. But that wait might soon shrink thanks to artificial intelligence. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest gaming news. Jack Boozer, Global Director for Games at Google Cloud, says AI is arriving at the perfect moment for the gaming industry, as due to layoffs, small budgets, and post-pandemic slowdowns, studios are desperate for ways to build faster without sacrificing on quality. And AI might be the answer. On the Strictly Business podcast, Boozer explained how AI is already transforming game development. Traditionally, creating a game was years of work, sometimes even a decade. Boozer said, "It's wild how long it can take. The process of turning ideas into playable features was a hard thing, but AI has shortened the path, helping developers test and refine faster than ever before. But speed isn't the only thing AI brings to the table, it redefines what's possible inside games. Boozer is excited about smart NPCs that don't just spit out pre-written lines, but actually talk to players in real time using natural language. Imagine walking up to a character in GTA and having a real conversation. Storytelling on another level. Major publishers like Ubisoft and King are already integrating AI into their works, and with industry revenues projected to hit $266 billion by 2028, the AI-powered gaming revolution is just beginning. If AI can help bring GTA 6 to life and make it more immersive than ever, it'll be worth the wait. Are you ready to have a meaningful conversation with the NPCs? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Mark your calendars because Grand Theft Auto 6 is officially launching soon, and it's shaping up to be more than just a game. It's being billed as the biggest entertainment event in history. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest gaming news. After years of cryptic teases, leaks, and feverish speculation, Rockstar Games is finally gearing up to drop its most ambitious title yet. And the hype off the charts. Industry insiders predict that GTA 6 could generate over $3.2 billion in its first year alone, with pre-orders expected to smash the $1 billion mark even before release date. But this isn't just another installment in the legendary franchise. Rockstar's promising a completely refined open-world experience which is bigger, bolder, and more immersive than ever. According to a job post, Rockstar says the game will support millions of players worldwide, setting the stage for an unmatched digital playground powered by innovative gameplay and next-gen data infrastructure. IDG Consulting CEO Yoshio Osaki calls it the biggest entertainment launch in history, a statement that carries weight, especially in a world where billion-dollar movie openings are the norm. From dynamic storytelling to a stunningly detailed world that evolves with players' choices, GTA 6 isn't just raising the bar, it's flipping the entire industry on its head. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a curious newcomer, one thing is clear: the streets of Vice City or wherever Rockstar drops the snacks will be flooded on May 2026. Buckle up because it's going to be one hell of a ride. How long have you been waiting for the game? Tell us in comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. What's good, gamers? GadInsider here with a heated debate. GTA 6 drops May 26, 2026, but will it outshine GTA 5? Twitch's CEO says, no way. Let's dive into this epic showdown. Can GTA 5 hold its crown on Twitch even after GTA 6's massive launch? Twitch CEO Dan Clancy's bold prediction has fans buzzing. Stick around to see who's got the edge. Rockstar Games confirmed GTA 6 is hitting PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS on May 26, 2026, and the hype's unreal. So big, other game devs are rescheduling launches to avoid the clash. But here's the twist. Twitch CEO Dan Clancy in a recent interview said GTA 5 will still dominate Twitch streams even after GTA 6 drops. He thinks the game's roleplay scene and upcoming PC version will keep it alive. Clancy told a foreign outlet, GTA 5 will still be popular on Twitch even as everyone's playing GTA 6. He's banking on GTA 5's massive community, modding scene, and streaming culture to stay strong. But industry insiders and tipsters on X are calling GTA 6 a game changer with a modern Vice City, new characters, and next-gen visuals that could steal the spotlight. The catch? Clancy wasn't thrilled about GTA 6's delay from 2025, but he's confident GTA 5's fan base won't budge. GTA 5's been a streaming giant for over a decade, with roleplay servers and high streams pulling millions of viewers. GTA 6, though, promises deeper stories and cutting-edge tech. Will it outshine its predecessor or coexist? This debate's huge because GTA 6 could redefine gaming, but GTA 5's legacy is a beast. Will streamers stick with Los Santos or flock to Vice City? Clancy's bet on GTA 5 shows how deep its roots are, but GTA 6's hype might just flip the script. This is a battle for gaming supremacy. Team GTA 5 or GTA 6? Drop your pick in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming news.